Stuck trying to add a transaction in LegalZoom but can't find where? Learn exactly how to record one in under 3 minutes. We'll start at the homepage, then click through Books, New, and Transaction. I'll walk you through each field until you hit Add. To start, head over to the LegalZoom homepage. Then, on the left sidebar, click on Books to open your accounting section. At the top right, click the New button. From the drop-down, select Transaction to add a new transaction. First, enter a description for the transaction so you can identify it later. Next, type in the amount. Make sure it's accurate. Then, choose the appropriate category from the list. You can add an optional note if you need extra details, but it's not required. Finally, click Add to save your transaction. And that's it. Happy bookkeeping! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.